Every tablet you take hides a billion-dollar science behind it. Medicine production starts with ultra-pure raw materials. Every ingredient is measured with microscopic accuracy. Powerful mixers blend chemicals into perfect medical formulas. Powders are transformed into uniform medical granules.
Machines press thousands of tablets every single minute. Each tablet is shaped with identical size and weight. Capsules are filled without human touch for safety.
Special coatings protect medicine and control release. Controlled heat removes moisture without damage.
Samples are tested again by trained professionals.
Pharma factories operate in sterile environments.
Medicines are sealed to protect from air and moisture.
Automated cutters ensure perfect packaging size.
Robots pack medicines at lightning speed.
Every box carries tracking codes and expiry dates.
Medicines are stored under strict temperature control.
Finished medicines are shipped worldwide. From factory to hospitals in record time.
One tablet can save a human life.